dream from when I was like 5. This is the new start. We just got out from seeing the wolves and we're just signing into a new hotel, I think, because the other one didn't have a vacancy for tonight and we didn't have it booked. Yeah, so that was really amazing seeing those wolves. They were like, they are still, you know, amazing. Like, they are one of my favourite animals for sure. Like, this probably my second favourite animal ever. First being horses, obviously. It was just incredible. And I've come to the conclusion that coffee and tea, and I didn't get to wash my hair this morning because I was in the shower and then suddenly I had wet my hair and then suddenly it just went freezing cold and I couldn't get it to go hot. So I didn't get to wash my hair and ugh, it was horrible. Anyway, I've come to the conclusion coffee and tea here in America is horrible. It's so hard to find good coffee and tea in America. It's literally impossible. Because everyone, I don't know, we just had to put buttermilk in this English breakfast tea and it tastes, I don't even think I can have it. It's too disgusting. Today I think we're just heading around, hopefully going to a few shops and stuff like that. I'm really keen to get, you know, a Yellowstone wind shooter or something. And I feel quite ill, actually. It's not so much like coughing or anything like that. It's more so that I just feel so lethargic and just when I'm standing up I just feel like sitting down, and when I'm sitting down I'm just kind of like, oh, I'm fine. But as soon as I stand up I just feel really just sick. So that's no good. Hopefully it's not actually something bad, but I have been going to sleep very late, like 1 or something like that, 12 or 1, and getting up early and stuff, so that might be it. Anyway, bye. Also, I don't know if I showed you guys, but look what we ended up getting. We got it. I got it. It is amazing. I'm probably gonna sweat to death in it in Australia, but I am a very cold-blooded creature and this is amazing. I feel like a wolf in this. And we also got one for my sister in grey, so this is kind of incredible. These are just so soft, and before you say anything, they're not real fur. So you don't have to yell at me. I'm against wearing fur on my head. But anyway, look at the little pom-pom. This is so comfortable. I wish there was like, when I did this sort of thing, I always want to take photos, but like, I don't find this sort of thing, just where it's like, oh look, a sulfur, I don't find it that interesting. There's way too many people here. Way too many people. I'm just not enjoying this. Because I am not very interested in buying anything here. And because the line is huge and there's so many people around, I have started redecorating or putting all of the soft toys in place. I'm trying to run away from humans. Me away. There's like some snow up on this hill, somewhere up here, so we're going over to see it. To see if I can see it and stand on it and stuff. This is very pretty. If only there weren't like a billion people around. Where am I? It's very cold on the feet. Very cold.
We take the one to the right, same as most. There we go.
Done on the
Great places to go shopping. Firehole Trading. They have Yellowstone.
This is what Jerry was supposed to do.
Also Smith and Chandler. You can find them directly across the street from the former Union Pacific Railroad Depot. Designing selection of Yellowstone Park, Montana wildlife, and Western related gifts and souvenirs. Very fast.
I like that more. This is funny.
Got one free song.
Oh gosh.
There you go. Right there.
I haven't really kept you guys updated as much as I want to, but I've been pretty much just around. I've been in my hotel room. Hello. So we came to this hotel room. We're now leaving now, exactly now. And today I'm having a Western riding lesson at the trail riding place that and the rodeo place that I would have just shown you like 30 seconds ago. And pretty much, yeah, it's been really good. I'm just heading down for breakfast and we're gonna sign out. Hey babe. You're asking him a little, maybe not firmly, okay? Basically what I do with him, now let's try your style. So I haven't been able to talk to you guys very much, but we're in Yellowstone again. I had a ride, a western ride this morning, which was really good, except I felt like I was just falling all over the saddle. Didn't look that bad, but it felt so bad because the saddle was so uncomfortable and the horse was very, well, a lot more downhill than Jerry, and so it felt very uncomfortable, but it wasn't. And also I kept losing my stirrup because they were like round stirrups and they didn't have any treads, obviously, because it was western. And yeah, it was really nice horse though, in a really nice place. And I'm very happy. And also the lady there gave me this hat, which was really nice of her. And also, what was I going to say? But yeah, I kept losing my stirrup because also I just had my like dress boots on, like my dressy boots, and they didn't really help me stay in stirrups at all. So anyway, we're just in Yellowstone.
Old Faithful geezer.
Yeah, we're in Old Faithful, looking at Old Faithful geezer. Geyser.
Geezer.
Geezer sounds better. Look, and it's on my shirt. Old Faithful. And we're just looking at this massive wooden, is it a hotel?
Yes, it is.
Hotel. And it's got the price, I mean the tag still on it. So artificial. Oh hi! I'm trying something different with my lips. That's why they're orange. I'm just here. Well, I technically am down because we're no longer in Yellowstone. So we've got to our new hotel room. Messy already. And it's, the Wi-Fi is so fast. I thought it was going to be really slow because I couldn't get on for like hours. And then I got on and it's so freaking fast. It's awesome. What else? What is this? So hopefully I'll be able to upload my my day 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 vlogs tonight, and we're staying here for 2 nights. Then we're heading off to Salt Lake City and flying to New York at at midnight. So is it tomorrow or the next day? And what else? And then when we get to New York, we're staying near Central Park, and apparently you can go on horse rides through Central Park and just like canter through. Look at my hair now, it looks ridiculous. And you can canter through Central Park, which is, you know, amazing, and I so want to do it now. So that's really exciting. Tomorrow I think we're just going shopping and stuff. I'm just chilling here. Mum and Dad have gone to dinner, but I haven't gone because I just like staying alone sometimes. I just being around people all the time. Like, I'm a very introverted person, so when I'm just like people all the time, like people always in my face, I'm just like, okay, can I just go and sit on the internet for a while and just do nothing productive or a few things productive and just be by myself, because otherwise I just get so I don't know, kind of tired. And that's the other thing. Oh, and earlier this morning I had a Western riding lesson, which was super fun. Yeah, it was really good, except I was wearing boots, like my dress boots, which just kept making me slip out of the saddle. Well, not slip out of the saddle, but slip out of the stirrup, because they were like round stirrups. I'd never had any like that on before, so I just kept friggin' losing my stirrup, and I was like, okay, put my foot in, and then I'd just slip out, and I was like, and so my heels were like way up, so I was trying to like hold on to the stirrups, and I'm so used to having it like on the ball / toe of my foot. And yeah, for those stirrups you were supposed to have it like right down near the back, I don't know, near the what do you call it, like the boot block, the heel of your boot. And yeah, it was just so, you know, and he was a really nice horse, like really nice Western horse, but just quite a bit more downhill than I'm used to with Jerry, and he was just, you know, and the saddle was a bit too big too. It was very uncomfortable. But I mean, not too bad, I'm sure, but I just was not used to it at all. But yeah, it was good. Did a few, you know, Western stops and stuff, and then I went on a trail because I was like panting. I think I've been getting sick because I'd walk, you know, 20 meters and then I already feel like really lethargic and just like I want to lie down and sleep, or just lie down and just do nothing, because I think I've been getting sick. So that might be why I was struggling with riding. Yeah, so yeah, that was really fun, and I'm really looking forward to doing English when I get to Central Park. And hopefully, I'm hoping, oh god, this is going for 4 minutes, hopefully I want to head down, if I can, to Maryland and see Maryland horse trials, I'm like losing my voice, and yeah, head down to see Maryland horse trials. That should be really good. I know a few people who will be there and doing it. And yeah, that'll be really cool if that can happen. Otherwise, the Finger Lakes. We might be going up to the Finger Lakes in New York, which will be really good too. And yeah, so I'm not sure if I'll be vlogging anymore tonight, but if not, Bye.